So this is a problem on the chance that you have a medical school student, the chance of getting into one of your top 3 choices in terms of your residency position. So this is a little Venn diagram. It says 95% of seniors were matched with residency positions. Of those 95%, 81.6 got one of their top 3 choices. Okay, so you have to rank your, I want to go here first, here second, here third. They're just explaining how that works down here. Question says, find the probability that a randomly selected senior was matched with a residency position and, once again, and means times. So chance, I'm going to say probability match, okay, was matched with a residency and means times, and that it was one of the top 3. Okay, what is the chance of a match? Well, we know right here they're telling us it's 95%, so 0.95 times, what's the chance that we got one of our top 3 choices? It's that number, 81.6. So all you have to do is multiply those together, and when you do that, you end up getting, it looks like 77.5%. So pretty good chance, and I'll just put that as a percent, pretty good chance that you're going to get, if you were matched with the residency, it will be one of your top 3, which is kind of nice, I guess, if you're a med student. This one, find the probability that a randomly selected senior who was matched did not get matched with one of their top 3. So this one is a little bit trickier unless you think about it. This is another case where we want to use the complement. It'll be easier to do it that way. Okay, and a lot of times if you see this word not, that's a hint that you might want to look at the complement. So what is the complement of not getting matched? And the answer is the opposite of not getting matched is getting matched, right? Getting matched with one of your top 3. That's this little circle inside. And you might remember 95% got matched with residency. This is from the previous page, and 81.6 got matched with one of their top 3. So what's the chance? So we know that if we were matched, we know that we're in this little purple part of the circle. We know we're one of these people right here. Okay, the question is how many people who got matched, so how many people who are in the blue did not get matched with one of the top 3? Okay, and the answer is the probability of getting a match plus the probability of not getting matched. Since those are complements, they have to add up to what? And the answer is they have to add up to 1. Okay, we're interested in this event, we're interested in not getting matched, but we know what the chance of getting matched is. The chance of getting matched was 0.186. So NM means not matched. In order to solve for this, we just have to subtract by this number. And the probability of not getting matched is going to be whatever 1 minus that is, and it turns out to be 18.4%. Okay, so again, the key is if you see things like not, ask yourself what's the complement. Would it be easier to solve this using the complement? Last question is going to ask us if any of these are unusual, and the answer is, well, this one says, would it be unusual for a senior to be matched and get one of their top 3? That was the first problem we did. It was 77.5%. And that is definitely not unusual. You might remember that the boundary line for usual and unusual is less than 5%. So that's pretty likely that that's going to happen. 77% means it's likely.